So we're at the back side of the main house, and here's an area which this side had broken out, and I had piled it up years ago with some stone I had picked up. And you can see where it had broken right off. So I'm thinking I might fill that in with concrete there to help hold it. Then the other area, which really is what my main focus is, you can see where it just broke away, I guess. Not really sure what, I mean, it's not, I don't know, I'm not sure it couldn't have just broke away necessarily. Or maybe I'm not sure. I'm not sure why it's like this. But either way, I plan on digging this out and taking off some of this tar, taking this off, cutting this, putting a new piece in. I think I can do that. And then concreting all this and then laying it back down. I had made this countertop here, which worked great for cutting glass the other day. The other thing I had started doing is we had it's brick from about here down is stone, but then from here up to here is brick, and that had ripped apart there, so I started filling that in. And you can see we have a lot of seams here, so we got to do a little bit on here. May have to break some of that, or I'm not even sure. Well, it's not really very loose, so I might just kind of go over top of it with a thin coat to kind of bind it. So just kind of making this look better. And we're gradually filling this in with stone, but focus on that area for tonight.